What is up, YouTube fam? How's everyone doing today? I hope you're feeling great. I hope you're having a nice time or a nice day. My name is Bainey. I am an artist and I love to share tutorial videos and document my journey with you. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're not, welcome back. If you're not subscribed, I hope that you will subscribe as it does support the work that I do. Today, I'm going to share a quick video or a quick behind the scenes video about how I package my artwork or my sculptures for shipment. And keep in mind that I am a very small business. I am still very much planning to refine my process as much as possible. But this is what I do right now. I figured I'd share this quick video in case anyone has questions about how to safely ship and package really fragile pieces of artwork like plaster art for sale so that you do not experience damage or loss. And so, if you're interested in seeing my process, let's talk about it. Let's get into it. I start off the process by signing off the artwork and completing the certificate of authenticity. You can buy certificate templates on Etsy or make one for yourself on Canva. I'll also leave a link to my favorite shipping materials in the description box. I like to leave a personal handwritten note. I think it's just a nice touch, a way to connect and say thank you. When it comes to the actual packaging, I love to wrap the artwork first in plastic. And for bigger pieces, I will use a stretch wrap, but for smaller pieces, I can get away with a cling wrap. Next, I love to wrap the artwork in a layer of packing foam. I love the specific kind just because it's really soft. It's not going to damage or scratch the artwork in any way, and it also provides adequate padding. Next, I try to protect the art by creating layers of shock absorbing protection and distance between the artwork and the box by stuffing it with packing paper and foam and materials. And as much as you feel like you need, it all really depends on how heavy is the art you're shipping, how fragile is it, how far is it going, and in this case, this is an international shipment. So I just always prefer to err on the side of caution, and I pretty much was using as much paper as I could get my hands on. It's also always a good idea to get shipping insurance. Once the artwork has been adequately padded for shipment, I secure it by taping it to the box. Next, I like to put this fragile shipping sticker all over the box to indicate that it is holding something that is quite fragile and should be handled with care. As a reminder, all of my favorite tested and tried shipping supply products from Amazon will be left in the description box. And that's pretty much all of it. I tape up the box. add a shipping label and schedule a pickup, and it's all done. And so that was all of it. This is the item package for shipment. I have successfully shipped multiple orders in the past, so this is what works for me. Every shipment requires something different of me, but this is kind of the standard packaging that I do at the moment. Um, when I ship bigger pieces of art, maybe one that requires a crate, I will share updates on what my process looks like. When I refine my process as well, I will share updates. I should mention that I did, or I plan to order a few items that I'm excited to add on to my packaging and shipping process. And so when I have more concrete updates, I'll share an updated behind the scenes video for you. I should add, if you're a small business like me, quick tips would be to always use recycled packaging as much as possible. And what I mean by that is when I get personal packages that come with a lot of packing materials, I will sometimes look through that and store what I think I can repurpose for my own personal business. And that way I am able to keep my shipping and packaging costs on the lower side. Another thing I find really helpful to do is when the actual piece of art or sculpture is soft wrapped package, I like to make sure to just go in and tape it to the box as you see me did in the video, just so I can minimize movement. And that way I am ensuring that the artwork is not hid in the box, it's not moving around during shipment, which increases the likelihood of safe delivery. When it comes to shipping services, I am not tied to any specific shipping service. I like to compare and go with the best option for me. So that's what I do when it comes to that end. But in a nutshell, this is pretty much how I process and package my pieces for shipment. And I hope that you found this video to be useful. I hope that it answered some of your questions. I hope that if this was something that you were worried about, concerned about, or afraid of when it comes to breakage, I hope that this video was helpful for you. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions in the comments. I would love to hear from you, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.